Jamie Dimon. The economic hurricane and stock market crash of 2022. Jamie Dimon isn't too known as Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger or Ray Dalio, however he is a vital figure in the US. So the Fed needs to remove cash from the framework to attempt to cool the interest side as supply makes up for lost time. I find this take truly fascinating from Jamie. So two different ways they can do that. They can either sell them on the open market, or the other thing they can do is basically allow the securities to arrive at their development. The public authority takes care of the Fed in addition to premium, and the security is done. Then, at that point, when the Fed gets the cash back, then they essentially do a Donny Azoff from The Wolf of Wall Street and simply erase everything, in this way lessening how much cash in the framework. Presently, what's fascinating as of now with regards to time is that we're simply beginning to see the start of the accounting report decrease. As Vanguard notes statement, the Fed intends to decrease its $8.5 trillion monetary record starting June 1st, only half a month prior, when it will no longer reinvest continues of up to $30 billion in developing depository protections and up to $17.5 billion in developing organization contract supported protections each month. To such an extent that the Fed really chosen to quit doing the fixing through and through. So it's anything but an extraordinary contextual investigation thinking about this time around. The QT plants are a lot greater, and we've proactively seen the market lose 20% this year. So that is Dimon's subsequent concern. Thus, third point, just to fan the fire, we have Russia's intrusion of Ukraine, which, as Jamie noted, is playing ruin with item showcases all over the planet and causing a ton of cost rises. As a matter of fact, Jamie Dimon can see a reality where oil ascends to $150 to $175 per barrel over the medium term, generally half higher than where it is today. Three major factors that are stacking on top of each other to cause a financial typhoon according to Jamie. I'm in. So reasonable to say Jamie illustrates where he sees the world heading. How might we prevent Jamie's monetary typhoon from clearing us out? All things considered, I think the primary way So, folks, they are Jamie Dimon's considerations on the financial typhoon traveled our direction? Do you concur with Jamie and suppose the economy is looking quite desperate?